Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what I have here are some filters to show you. So I have this. It comes with 4 of these. I mean, it takes 2 to go around the circle around the thing, but it's good for the Dyson. I have a list here because it's for a bunch of them. You can use it for the TP06, the HP06, PH01, PH02, HP07, TP07, HP09, TP09, the Pure+Cool+Hot+Cryptomic and humidity heater 2-pack. Okay, so this is what it is. So I just want to show you guys here. It's a Hepa carbon filter, so you can see it's got the super, a lot of fins on it, and then it's got the carbon infused on there, and it's really good. It's solid. Got a good plastic housing to it, and you push the buttons to kind of pull it out and stuff. But it's got the nice rubber gasket on it, and so the way it'll work is you'll have one on each, You put one in the 2. It takes 2 to tango. It takes 2 to make it work. So to make a circle, to go around it. So you just kind of put those on, and it'll be around there. And what's cool about this one here too is they, besides sending you the filters, they give you a little brush here. So you can tell I've had one of these before, and so you can just brush it off if you get some dust and crap in it. So it's kind of nice. So it's good for like pet hair and things like that. So. If you're like me and have allergies and don't like a lot of particulates in the air, you probably have a couple of the Dyson air purifiers around the house. If you have the Pure Hot and Cool, and that one's really nice. But like me. But then, so this is good. So it's a good replacement filter. So when it does get gross and yucky, you're able to just switch it out, and you go with one that's not the super expensive one. So you get a nice version here. And so these are nice, and they come packed up nice. I got a set of, it's 2 sets of them. So I got, a total of 4 of the individual pieces. So, but I'm gonna go put it in there, and it'll be nice and clean. So this is how it works, and it looks really nice. Super easy to put in. If you just kind of screw the top off and pick it up and put the new ones in, take the other ones off, and toss them. So it's good. I like it. So thumbs up from me on these filters, and links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.